It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in the Alpine Connection, unit number 5 at the Aspens Grove. When you get an opportunity, if you need to figure out how to utilize the television here, it's fairly straightforward. We have the control for the CableOne, and when you push the button on the top left for TV, it'll turn it on. You have the button to power up the cable box on the left, and that basically is going to be right here. So you're going to have a green light for the CableOne box that's going to be on. Then over here you actually have the Sony DVD player. It's a smart Wi-Fi enabled. You'll see you have a green light that goes on right there. So to be able to go through, on the very bottom left you actually have the input button. So you push the input. HDMI 1 is for the DV for the cable. HDMI goes to the DVD player. And that basically is it. So if you have any further questions, all you got to do is cycle through nothing on TV, nothing on PC, and then there's the HDMI 1 for cable. And that would be it. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. The landline in the office is 208-634-0030. Cheers.